Experiencing unresponsive skip song gestures on your AirPods Pro 3? You're not alone. This issue often stems from a rare calibration problem acknowledged by Apple. First, ensure your AirPods Pro 3 firmware is up to date to version 7A206 or later. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, then AirPods firmware on your paired iPhone to check. Next, clean the earbud stems with a microfiber cloth and, if needed, a small amount of isopropyl alcohol at 90% solution. Dirt, sweat, or oils can impede the capacitive force sensors. If problems persist, try resetting your AirPods by holding the setup button on the charging case until the status light flashes amber, then white. These steps resolve the issue for about 70% of users. If these steps fail, it may be a hardware issue. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, consider these advanced steps. Bluetooth interference can sometimes be the culprit, especially during video calls or in congested environments. Try switching to a wired connection via a lightning adapter to see if the issue resolves. If hardware issues are suspected, especially after exposure to moisture, contact Apple support. Apple is offering replacements under warranty for affected Pro 3 units with gesture problems. Users filing support tickets is over 5% of Pro 3 owners based on user surveys. DIY repair is possible, but requires technical skill. Some users have successfully replaced corroded force sensor wires, though Apple will likely be a better solution if covered under warranty. By 2027, gesture failures are expected to drop by 50% due to improved chipsets, but for now, these are your options.